Well, I'm just going to put this video up here. It's just a couple minutes of video I took at an estate sale I went to. I didn't buy anything at the sale. Everything was outrageously overpriced. I mean, a lot of that stuff was priced probably what it cost, some of the stuff in the barn there was brand new or close to it, and the prices were today's market new. So there's no, estate sales are usually priced a little less, and some of the stuff that was outside was priced like it was new too. I mean, you know, those tractors, Ford tractors, were like several $1,000s a piece on them. They're just going to sit there and rot into the ground. I mean, that's what most of that stuff's doing. When you overprice stuff, it doesn't sell. But as you know, I like going to estate sales. So a lot of the stuff, that radio, the flasher, the motor oil, popcorn popper, the soldering gun, which I'm going to do a giveaway on in the future, the tricycle, and the Rio engine I bought separately in different estate sales to build that. A Rochester Ford jet that was off a rotor tiller. The whirligig was one my dad picked up in an estate sale for me. I just painted it up. A lot of sandpapers. Yeah, the motorcycle I didn't buy in an estate sale. The snow blower, I bought to fix up in an estate sale. So you can see, and I got cabinets and tools and a lot of stuff I pick up in estate sales because you can get it for a fraction of the cost of what it costs new. And then I can afford to have some things I'd like. I wanted a halfway nice radio for in the garage. And so I got it. The CD changer was my folks, and it works perfect. So I got a bunch of cartridges for it. I had two, I think, and this cabinet from an estate sale. But yeah, I found more cartridges in an estate sale. So I got, I think, 6 cartridges now. But yeah, the cabinet was estate sale. The stuff back there, the tire ashtray. A lot of stuff in here is all estate sale stuff. So anyway, here's the video of the junk at this estate sale. Like I say, I enjoy going to them. But anyway, here's the video. Enjoy it. Look at this crazy estate sale. I mean, there's road signs. There's a ton of these old tractors, lawnmowers, airport doohickeys. What do these got in them? Maybe Wisconsin or something. Yeah, I can't really tell. Can't see the engine. Oh, they're water cooled, so I doubt it's a Wisconsin, an air compressor. And they're made by Clark. It's got a little twin cylinder. Pretty neat little engine. I think that's Golden Jubilee. Yeah, it is. Air compressor. So there's all these buildings here. I think that's like a dethatcher thing. Dump truck. Yeah. Lots of good stuff. Let's look around and see what they have. That amazing little thing. It's got an 8-horse Briggs & Stratton. Yeah, what don't they have around here? It's an interesting welder. It's a Lincoln. Looks like it has a motor. Probably generates the current. Oh, interesting. The amount of junk here and interesting stuff. Well, as you saw, there was lots of interesting junk there, and yeah, I would have brought a few things home other than, the prices were just insanely high. I'm not going to say outrageous. They were beyond outrageous. They were just way more than what anything was worth there. I doubt anything will sell. But anyway, as I make, do estate sales in the future, if I pick something up, I'll obviously do videos of it. I have, I don't know what YouTube calls them. They're like playlists, I guess. And I have one that is strictly estate sales, and you know, I buy a lot of vintage Christmas stuff and stuff like this to make things. I bought that go-kart frame that was in a past video, estate sale video, and so anyway, that's it. I'm going to end the video here. Just kind of wanted to show one of the estate sales that I went to that I thought was kind of neat, but didn't come home with anything because it was so unbelievably overpriced. But anyway, as I say, if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon there will help subscribe you, and thank you for watching my video.